And the Lord ministered to me something. I saw the angel flying over Israel. And this angel was different. It was like a seraphim with 6 wings, 2 covering the head and 2 to fly with, and 2 covering the feet. And only one word was uttered in that vision. When I say one word, I mean one line. Iran has the bomb. That's what I heard. It was as if the angel is telling Israel that your enemy has gotten that thing. But I want you to be calm, because God has already said it in his word that when they shall do it, from the skies I will hold that the fire will not fall on Israel. Said they would try to hide it. Even other countries that don't want them to have it will even support that they don't have it. They will start by saying maybe it's there, then they say no, it's not yet able to do it. So the reason will be the same countries who are trying to prevent it from having it are also have it.
We're following breaking news as we come on tonight, the major escalation in the Middle East. U.S. officials confirming that Iran has launched drones and missiles toward Israel, and the Iran-backed militant group Hezbollah launching a barrage of rockets into northern Israel, the Iron Dome intercepting many of them.